Besties, I know I told you I was going on a break, and honestly, I meant it. But sometimes you see information that makes you pause and ask yourself, if I keep quiet, will I be doing the right thing? Because what if someone out there has been praying for a sign, and this is it? So yes, I'm technically on a break, but this video could not wait. I'm about to share something that is free, is global, does not require an agent, does not require payment, and does not discriminate by profession. But I need you to promise me one thing first. Don't skip. Don't assume you're not qualified, and don't leave before I finish explaining how this actually works. Because people miss life-changing opportunities not because they weren't eligible, but because they stopped listening too early. So if you're promising me this, comment the word "I'm watching till the end," okay? Let's get in. Let me talk to you as a human being for a moment. I know many of you are tired of submitting applications with no response, hearing Canada, but never seeing a clear pathway, paying agents and getting stories instead of results, watching deadlines pass you by. Some of you are not lazy, you are just exhausted, and that is why this information matters. Now, listen carefully. What I'm about to share is not a shortcut, it's not magic, and it's not guaranteed, but it's legitimate, verified, and real. And if you understand how to use it properly, it can put your CV directly in front of real employers in Canada. Yes, real employers, but I won't tell you who yet. Stay with me. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Peace and this is Peace Travels and Jobs. On this channel, we don't sell dreams. We don't shout visa approved for clicks. We share information, opportunities and truth so that you can make informed decisions about your future. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for trusting me. Truly, I really appreciate. Now, let me introduce the idea. Not the name yet, just the idea. There is a Canadian government-backed virtual event where employers come together to meet international workers. You don't travel, you don't pay, you don't need a connection. You show up online. And this event is happening very soon. So soon that if I waited till my break was over, some of you would have missed the deadline. Okay, you know why I actually care about all of my subscribers, okay? So, here is why this is different from random job sites. Normally, you apply, your CV disappears, you hear nothing. But in this setup, employers expect international applicants. Employers know you may need immigration pathways, and employers are already hiring. That alone changes the game. And here's the part that made me stop my break. This event has a fixed date. If you miss it, you don't email anyone. You don't beg anyone. You simply wait for the next one. And the opportunities don't wait for anyone, okay? The deadline is February 11, okay? Yes, February 11. I'll explain the time, the process, and everything else. But first, let me explain who this is really for, okay? This is for you if you're looking to work abroad, not just relocate blindly. You're open to starting in a role that matches your experience. You are willing to prepare a proper CV. You understand that opportunity plus preparation equals what? Result. So it does not matter if you're not a nurse, it does not matter if you're in tech or not, if you're in Africa, Asia, Europe, or anywhere else. This is not profession locked, okay? And also, let me say this gently, because some people lose opportunities because they talk themselves out of it. I don't think they need my role. I've never worked abroad before. Others are more qualified. Please, don't reject yourself on behalf of an employer. That is not your job, okay? So now that you've stayed with me, let me tell you who is hosting this. This global virtual job fair is hosted by the Canadian province of Newfoundland and Labrador. Yes, it's a province-led initiative, okay? Not an agent, not a random company, a Canadian province, okay? And here is something many people don't understand. I might show you guys how to do it on screen, okay? But let's see how it goes, okay? Some parts of Canada need workers badly, not in theory, in reality. They need people to work, settle, contribute, build a life. So instead of waiting for people to randomly apply, they go out and look for talent globally. And that's what this event is. So this is a global virtual job fair, meaning you attend online, you register once, you upload your CV, employers browse and connect. Some employers may chat with you on the day, some may contact you later, some may invite you for interviews weeks or months after. That is normal. But let me be very clear, because clarity builds trust. This event does not guarantee a job, a visa, permanent residence. What it guarantees is access, and access changes everything. Okay. Now let's talk details. Okay. The date of this event is February 11, 2026, and the time is 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. GMT. Okay. So if you're outside the UK, please, after registering, convert the time to your local time zone. Do not miss this because of time confusion. Okay. So I want to show you step by step how to do it, okay? But before then, let me just summarize the whole thing. When you register, right, you create a profile, you upload your CV, you select up to 3 job sectors, you submit. That is it. No payment page, no agent call, no hidden fee, okay? And listen to me very carefully, because this is where many people fail, not because they are unlucky, but because they are unprepared. Your CV matters. This is a global pool. Your CV is competing internationally. So tailor your CV, match it to the sector you choose, be honest, be clear. A bad CV will close doors before you even knock. If you are a member of a Peace Elevators, feel free to reach out to me. Let's tailor your CV specifically to Canadian employers, okay? And if you want these services, feel free to become my channel member and I'll do your CV for you one-on-one, okay? I believe in prayer, you know that, but prayer works best when you also take action. Register, prepare, show up. Let God do the rest. As always, the registration link is in the description. Register even if you are scared. Register even if you are unsure. Register even if you are tired. Because sometimes the opportunity you didn't expect is the one that changes everything, okay? So if you want me to create a detailed video on interview preparation, type interview prep in the comments. Your engagement tells me what to create next, okay? I'll be sharing my screen with you on how to apply for this role, okay? So thank you for staying to the end. Thank you for trusting me. And thank you for being part of this community. I love you and I'll see you soon. Until next time, Jesus loves you and I do love you too. Now, screen recording. Click on the link in my description, take you to this page. This is the page. Please do not click on any other link, okay? It takes you to this page, and this is the website of the Newfoundland and Labrador. You can see here it says virtual immigration event, okay? So click here to see what you're up to in the UK or Ireland. Check out recent mission to Tunisia and click here to see what we are up to in Ghana, okay? Your dream career starts in Newfoundland and Labrador. I will just go straight to what you need to do, okay? Just you have to read everything here, okay? Take your time and read it. Say upload your current resume and we'll share with the companies hiring across Newfoundland and Labrador. Approved employers can search through the resumes received for qualified candidates and reach out to candidates with the skills and experience they need. Okay, so we post events here as they are scheduled, so please bookmark this page and check back often, okay? So this is all audience and its event time is Wednesday, February 11, okay? And this is, like I said, 6 to 10 GMT, that's UK time. So convert it to your local time zone rather, and 2:30 to 6:30 is Canadian time, okay? So make sure you always bookmark this page and convert the time to your own time so I don't get to miss the event, okay? So what you need to do, you register today. You click on that, accept all. So this is everything you need to know about it, okay? So you need to register. I don't want to do that because I am not interested, okay? So this is for you. So this is the Information Act collection where you get to see everything. You put your name, your last name, email, country of residence, citizenship, family in Canada if you have, education level, work experience, and all of that, language, language, then you register, okay? Then they'll send you the link on what to do, okay? So let's go back home. So once you register, you come back to log in with the details that you are registered, okay? Then that's where you get to submit your CV and all of things, okay? You can also get to reach out to them on their emails. You can see on my screen. Reach out to them concerning and any other scheduled global virtual job fair they have, maybe in another country, okay? Bookmark this page and check things for yourself, okay? I really want you guys to, move abroad this year, and I'm trying my best to bring you guys legit information. Okay. All right. Until next time. Bye.